Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello, I'm trying to make a video. Let's just wait till he stops. It's because I have chicken fries right next to me and he knows it. He knows I have food in here. It's so funny. But there he is. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry for the extra long intro. It's okay. Alright, so you guys are watching this video because of the fact that you want to know how you can get free things, how you can make money online, especially if you're young and you really don't have a job yet, or you're not at that age. Like here it's the age of 16 here in Virginia. So this is a video that will definitely help you guys out if you want to get free things and if you want to become an influencer. So guys, the second thing is what I would advise you guys to do if you guys want free things and you guys want to try out new items, or you're like a makeup junkie, kind of like me. I'm not very a makeup junkie, but I love to try new products and I'm always very open to trying new things. So Influencer definitely allows you to do that. I would totally tell you guys, hey, like if you want free things and you want to review a whole bunch of stuff that you have or some random stuff that you know about, definitely get this app. I've gotten countless boxes worth like 180, like it varies. They actually give you some full-size items and stuff like that. It's not like BoxyCharm or Ipsy or anything like that. You don't have to pay anything at all. All you do is you review items, you rate them, you give the pros and the cons about the items, and they will send you a box, but only if you qualify for it. So you will always have to try to check your emails to see if you qualify for a new box. It's called Influencer. This was the recent box that I got, which was the OPI gel polishes, and it obviously tells you here how to use it. Not how to use it, but how this works. So it says here, get the app, discover, review, and share. So what they're trying to make you do is rate products and try to tell people, hey, like this product works, or there's good stuff or bad stuff, but it's all for free. Like I can refer you down on the description. I'm telling you guys, this is all free. I've gotten Bare Minerals foundation, I've gotten eyeliners, I've gotten mascaras, I've gotten so many things, like full-size items for free just to try it out, because the companies want people to try out their different brands and stuff like that. Also with snacks and stuff, if you really like snacks, definitely would recommend it. I'll give you like a little preview. I'm gonna screenshot what I'm doing right now. So the app looks like this right here, Influencer. So you're gonna click on it and you're gonna use one of your emails that you can account for, in terms of, you know, you check your emails regularly, whatever, at a regular pace, whatever. You see what I'm saying. And you sign up and everything. Sorry about that. People with them loud ass cars, man. Alright, so it gives you your impact score. You obviously have to add all of your social medias just so you get a higher impact score, which definitely will get you a box. These are all the other things I've gotten, a lot of things. And you know, if you want to become an influencer and a person that tries items for free, you know, definitely get this app. I'm telling you, I started at 15, and if you look all the way at the bottom of my videos, my old videos, you see this thing called Box. that's like the beginning of when I started reviewing items and getting the app and everything. But I've had it for so many years. There was a time where I stopped using it for maybe like 2 years, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try it again, and I started getting boxes again. My sister-in-law, I actually got her hip to this app. Now she's had this app for 2 weeks already, and now she's getting a box in 2 weeks, which is cool because she's getting a foundation, she's getting mascara, she's getting hair serum, like she's getting a whole bunch of stuff in this box, which I kind of am jealous, but at the same time, it's okay. I've gotten more stuff. But yeah, definitely try that app out, guys. I review anything. See, look, I reviewed Crown Royale, you know, alcohol. I review mascara, lashes, blush, baby food, baby lotion, baby bottles, like pet stuff, like random things, cheese, Cheetos. Guys, I do like the most randomest things because the more you review, the more chances you get to get, you know, a box or like free things. Definitely would recommend you guys to do it. So this concludes my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to know anything else about this app, you are more than welcome to comment down below. If you guys want to know what I've been up to, just waiting for my ship date, that's pretty much what I'm doing. If you guys know what I'm doing, I'm gonna be going into the military soon, so yeah, I'm just waiting for that date to come. I'm getting prepared, but at the same time, it's like, I don't know, I just think I can be prepared but not so prepared. I don't know how to describe it, but I don't know, I'm kind of nervous, but at the same time I'm like, I'll just see how it goes. So yeah guys, thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe if this is the first time you're watching this video, and give this a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.